90 Day Fiancé franchise stars Karine Martins and Paul Stale's sons are thriving with their new foster family. The 27-year-old Brazilian native and her 39-year-old former partner are most known for their chaotic relationship on different 90 Day Fiancé spin-offs. Over the years, the two made headlines for domestic violence, physical abuse, and sadly, a lot more. Their living situation became so bad that Child Protective Services stepped in and took their sons away. In the last 12 months, Paul and Karine have split for good and moved on with their lives. However, they've lost custody of their kids and have been trying to get them back since. In July 2022, the Kentucky native shared a big update about his son's custody and revealed that Karine has been trying her best to get them back. Unfortunately, her attempts have not worked despite her showing that she is working hard. One of Paul's previous Instagram stories suggested that the court had not treated them right, and their custody battle is still ongoing. Pierre and Ethan Stale are happy loved according to the latest updates by In Touch. Paul and Karine's sons, Pierre and Ethan Stale, are flourishing in foster care. But at the same time, the former 90 Day Fiancé couple is trying to get them back. One of In Touch sources reveals that the little boys are thriving and have changed tremendously under their new guardians. The source claims that Pierre and Ethan are extremely loved, cared about and embraced by their new family, which is the complete opposite of what was seen on social media with their real parents in the past 2 years. Pierre Ethan's new guardian's parenting style is helping. The In Touch source also adds that the foster family's excellent approach to raising the kids has been good for them. Since the new family members are not on social media at all with them, it's benefiting the boys. While Karine and Paul want their kids back, they have to put aside their differences to help their case. However, they weren't having the best of luck after a few recent court hearings. Some time ago, another In Touch source revealed that Karine and Paul's hearing on January 11, 2023, affirmed that they were both guilty of the drama, which caused Child Protective Services to intervene. Paul and Karine are still hopeful that they will be able to get their kids back from CPS and the foster family. However, there hasn't been any sympathy for the former couple. Ethan and Pierre seem to be living their best lives with their new parents, compared to their living situation with Paul and Karine. Besides, Paul and Karine have broken up, which means the boys will have to deal with unnecessary drama regarding their mom and dad's split. Still, if 90 Day Fiancé's Karine can prove herself, she may be able to get her sons back. Source: In Touch.